Now let's take a look at the preparation method of this delicious dish. Tear open the konjac rice packaging, pour the konjac rice into a sieve, and rinse it with water. Drain the water from the konjac rice and set it aside. Chopped cauliflower, crack in 1 egg, and mix well. Pour 15 milliliters of cooking oil into the pot. Next, pour the previously prepared chopped cauliflower into the pot, stir fry until slightly golden, and set it aside. Crack an egg into a bowl, and stir it evenly. Pour 15 milliliters of cooking oil into the pan, and fry the beaten egg in the pan until cooked. After frying until the egg is fragrant, add 200 grams of shrimp to the pan and stir fry. Stir fry until the shrimp turns pink. Remove the shrimp and eggs from the pan and set them aside. Stir fry 50 g of onion, 350 g of tomatoes, and 45 g of shiitake mushrooms in the pan. Pour all the ingredients into the pan and stir fry for 3 minutes. Salt 2 gram, black pepper 3 gram, toss well, and enjoy the dish.